I think it's slightly crooked, but we're just going to go with it. Okay. I'm going to do some spelling. It's the beginning of our day today. Let's see how this goes. Okay, we started a new lesson on Now We're Cooking. Okay. What is, okay, we already did that. Okay. During big family meals like Thanksgiving, THANKSGIVING, millions of Americans eat green bean casserole. CASSEROLE. What is a casserole? A casserole is generally a side dish that contains several ingredients cooked slowly in an oven. Okay. And you like green beans, but I don't think you really care for green bean casserole. That's one of the vegetables that you will eat. That's nice. Okay, then back up a little bit. In fact, I got green beans planted in the garden, but I saw some of them didn't come up, so I'm going to have to replant those real quickly. Maybe I'll do that when we're done with this. Okay. The first word is Americans. Your nose is kind of running. I gave you some, hopefully your allergy medicine kicks in first. Okay. First word is Americans. Americans. M and E and no, don't go down there. Americans. AMER and I and C and A and N and S. Yes, good job. Americans. Okay, next word is family. F and A and close. M and I and I think you said I, but you pointed the wrong one. L and no, family. Last letter, family. Y. There you go. Good job. Okay, next word is cook. C and O and O N K. Good job. Cook. Very nice. The green bean oh wait, there's more. We now gotta do our. Okay. What big family meal was used as an example in the story here? Okay. T and good job. A. Oh, close. Right between the H and A and N and. Hold on. It's on this one. K and. I'm sorry, I'm having trouble with this word. S and over. G and I and V and I and N and over. No. O G. Thanksgiving. Good job. What kind of dish is the green bean casserole? S and over, down, I then, D and, good job, a side dish. A casserole is cooked slowly in an, over, O and, over, V and, E and, good job. Oven. Very nice. All right, let's read some more. The green bean casserole is a culinary, culinary, classic, using just 6 ingredients. It uses 1 can of Campbell's, Campbell's, Campbell cream of mushroom soup and milk. It also has soy sauce and black pepper. Finally, it features green beans and crunchy fried onions. This retro, R-E-T-R-O, that means a reference to the past, recipe has been appearing on American tables for more than 60 years. 60. There we go. Here's a picture of a green bean casserole. Okay, let's do some spelling. First word is retro. R-N T-N T, yes, T-N, good job. R-N, not that far. Oh, good job, retro, very good. Next word is soy sauce. So the first word is, it's two words actually, S-N, O-N, good job. Down, okay, Y, good job. Soy, oops, starts on here. S-N, A-N, close, U-N, C-N, good job. Soy sauce. Next word is table. I'm out of practice with these boards. T-N, A-N, B-N, no, up, L-N, down, E. Good job. You're doing good. I think it's time to move to one board. Let's read some questions. What kind of classic is the green bean casserole? Over one. C and over. U and see you. Take a deep breath. I know your nose is bugging you, huh? Good job. See you.
Okay.
Right next to it. L and I and N and A and above that. R and down. Y. Good job. Culinary. That's a culinary classic. How many ingredients are in this recipe? We'll do it with this board. How many ingredients? Below that. 6. 6 ingredients. Good job. Name. You want to name one of the ingredients? D and over. R and E and E and below that. And green. B and E and A and below that. N and N and S. Good job. Green beans. You good on that one. What is the texture described of the fried onions? I love the fried onions more. It's the best part. Over. No, over one. Right in the middle. Okay. Right in the middle. C and R and U and below that. N and C and H and all the way down. Y. Good job. Crunchy. Crunchy green. Oh, the crunchy fried onions. How many years has this recipe been on American tables? All right. How many years? Look. Think you need to get the number in your head. 6 and 60. I and E and A and R and good correction. 60 years. Woo 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 woo. Okay. Okay. Let's read some more about green bean casserole. Who invented the green bean casserole? Dorcas Dorcas Riley, I guess. I don't know. Okay, Dorcas. I hope that's like Dorcas. Riley, or it's Reilly, I'm not sure. Reilly. Who worked as a supervisor at the Home Economics Department of a Campbell's Test Kitchen in Camden, New Jersey in 1955. Excuse me, what qualified Dorcas to create recipes for a company like Campbell's? She earned a degree in Home, Home, Economics, Economics, from Drexel, Drexel University. Okay. Let's do some more spelling. Invent. I-N-N-N. Over. The-end. The-end. I-N-V-E. Below that. N-N. You got an itch? T. Good job. Invent. You want a high five? You like high fives? Okay. Department. Next word is department. Okay. Above that? I'm trying with this. That's too far away. Let me see. Try a different placement of the board. Department. Up above that. The end. The end. The end. The end. No. R-N. The end. No, below that. M-N. Over. E-N. N-N. T. Department. Okay, we made it through. That last spelling is degree. She had a degree in home economics. D-end. E-end. Above that. G-end. R-N. E-N. No. Good job. Degree. All right. Who invented the green bean casserole? All right. Let's give it a try. D-end. O-end. R-end. First. C-end. A-end. Close. No. Over. S. Dorcas is her first name. Last name is R-end. E-end. I-end. Over. L-N. L-N. All the way down. Oh my. Good job, Riley. You did good on the last name, which I thought was hard. Okay. What was her job title? Not sure I remember these. One over. S-N. U-N. E-N. E-N. R-N. What? Super. Yeah. We're still on. E-N. Over. I-N. S-N. Yep. O-N. S. Let's see. V-I-S-O-R. There you go. Supervisor. Supervisor. It's one word. What company, I almost said the answer, did she work for? C-N. C-N. Below that? No. C-A. C-A. In the middle. M-N. B-N. Over. B-N. E-N. L-N. L-N. Over. Yes, good job. Campbell's. She worked for a Campbell's Soup Company. Where was the Campbell's Test Kitchen located? C-N. A-N. About that. M-N. Yeah? No, you had it right. E-N. E-N.
S,
Below that. N, and E, N.
W,
New.
E,
Below that. Above that.
T,
No, up.
J,
J, and E, and
S,
R, and yeah.
S,
S, and E, and Y. New Jersey. Good job. Camden, New Jersey. Okay. In what year did Dorcas create this recipe? Remember the year? Get it in your head. Clean this off. Okay. 1 and 9 and 5 and yeah, that's right. 5. Good job. 1955. Good job. That one perfectly. What degree did Dorcas earn? Okay, 2 words. We're almost done, buddy. H and O and M and
T, E,
home.
E,
E and C and
S,
O and N and O and
T, S,
below that. M and I and
C,
C and
S.
home economics. Good job. Okay. From what university did Dorcas earn her degree? Okay.
E, T,
E and R and E and yeah. No, you had it. X and E and over. Yeah. Good job. Drexel. Drexel University. Okay. You know what? That's a good place to start because you did a good job, and I know your nose is bugging you today, so we'll put there. Thank you, Mark. Okay, we got about 30 minutes, then I'm going to go out. Go for a walk. Go to the grocery outlet. Sorry, this is crooked today.